Hi, I'm Jenny, here with insights on the UK research and development tax incentives. Did you pick up that in mid-January 2025, HMRC finally published guidance and rules for the new merged R&D scheme? It has been dubbed New RDEC, and HMRC has come up with ERIS or ERIS as the acronym for the Small and Medium Enterprise, Enhanced Research and Development Intensive Support option, which may apply to loss-making SMEs. These replace the old RDEC and old SME schemes, for all accounting periods beginning on or after the 1st of April 2024. It's vital to understand what the changes mean for your business, as this will be crucial to maximising your R&D claims. Research and Development Insights will bring you regular, bite-sized videos, each highlighting an aspect of the rules that may need your attention, with links to the relevant guidance in the video descriptions. Like and subscribe, it's the easy option to stay informed. See you on the next video.